country. I don't want to hold on nothing that can add your lips around it.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Oh, okay. It's gonna be hard.
Let it stay soft. Here we go, Gabe.
I didn't know you were zoning out. Yeah, I think I will switch and see if I can switch to country in. Country in?
Yeah, I would.
I'm doing it right now, get time to do it. How you doing?
What's up?
My name's good. I'm from Washington. And no, I'm not a Yankee. The movie days that I heard.
Right.
Yeah, he's right. Where's he from? California. Oh, he's Yankee. No, I'm here from California. We're not really anything.
Yeah.
There you go, bro. Good recovery. Hose Power USA. Hose is in H-O-S-E.
You mean H-O-E-S? Hose?
H-O-S-E. As in like a hose that's hollow.
Yeah.
It's a tube of some sort that has some sort of fluid that flows through it. They're meant to be bendable. That better? Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, I guess so. But it feels good in here anyways, right?
Yeah. It doesn't smell as much like ass now. It just smells like ass covered up by perfume. But, oh, good. There's a key bank right there.
Making a left turn.
Oh, lady. My name's Gabriel. I don't think he's even seen that. That's actually one of my favorite shows when it was on Crank Yankers.
Yeah.
God, that was a good show.
I'm peeing in your pool.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Yay. No,
Yay,
it's not okay.
it's okay. I'm peeing in your pool.
Yeah.
I'm peeing in your pool.
Sorry, we distracted him by talking about peeing.
Let's take a lap at this street.
But it feels so warm. They actually put that dye stuff in pools now where it turns blue if someone pees. You can tell who does it.
They don't do it in Alabama, so you'll never get caught.
So what you do is you get that dye stuff, and then to embarrass somebody, you go swimming by somebody and like leak it out real quick next to them, and then
Right.
get away. And everybody thinks they peed in the pool.
Grown-ups too.
Oh yeah. Do it to a hot chick,
Yeah.
and everybody's like, "What the hell?" Then it becomes popular to do it. So the direction we just turned would have been left. Is that right?
Yeah.
Sorry, Gabe.
Alright, we're going to stay on the left of these cones. Yeah, definitely stay on the left of the cones. Where the road splits here, we're going to stay to the left. That was your tires going over the curb. You didn't stay high in that curve.
That's the first one so far. Hey, that's not bad though.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
But they hit it at like 20 miles an hour.
It's a good thing they're flotation tires, right?
Yeah.
I think in the tire world they refer to a super single as a flotation.
Look at Gabe sitting up there concentrating.
He's a student of the game.
Looks like a goober.
I don't think so. He looks like the type of guy that at least be able to go to community college if he really put his mind to it. That's what I said. That's it. I like Gabe. I really like Gabe. He's a good guy. It's just, the same thing. I haven't met a guy yet from North Carolina I didn't like, so he's a good guy.
Right.
Or South Carolina, whatever it was. It's all the same.
No, he's from Chicago. That's what I thought.
We got counties as big as the states on that side.
My mom was from one of them. I can't remember which one.
Got that response?
Just text back. That's right. Who's your daddy? Or I'm your daddy, something like that.
I should just say nothing.
You ever notice people with Down syndrome are always happy?
Yeah.
Would it be so bad to be born that way and go through life being happy all the time?
Oh, you mean like Gabe?
Like Gabe? I don't think he has Down syndrome. He just lets his tongue hang out of his mouth. Yeah. Manny P's in the pool.
Take a ride at the end of the street.
I heard he made the pool like a hot tub because all of a sudden there's all these bubbles coming up. Well, I'm next in line to get made fun of.
So when did we learn coupling and uncoupling?
Coupling.
Whatever.
Wait, I'll help you say it. Coupling. There. You gotta take the G off.
Hang on, you ready for me to say it? Hang on.
I don't run from farts, I rate them. Dude, that stinks though. Is that a shoe in the road? What is that?
Just insulation.
Oh, okay.
Back insulation. If you want a shoe, there was a couple laying on the road on Rookie Road yesterday.
There we go.
Yeah,
They were ladies.
that's alright.
I don't know what size they were.
It doesn't mean you're gay if you wear women's clothes. It means you cross-dress.
Straight across. You're experimental, right?
Well, maybe I just want to feel my feminine side a little bit. I have trouble finding shoes that are on my size, like 12 and a half extra wide. Kind of hard to find pumps. So I wear flats a lot. But women in Washington dress like men anyway, so, you're cross-dressing every day. You put a pair of Carhartts and Romeos on.
Had it in, then you took it out, right? You're in again, you took it out again. Alright, take a ride at the stuff, son.
He's trying to put you on your knees again, Ed.
That's just Gabe. Don't worry about it. He's a good guy.
Right.
So Central 8, the only one with basketball courts. Looks like you guys got some competition here. LeFonc, Renew,
Yeah, you can park over here at Max's Deli and walk across and play a little bit.
right on.
And pick you out, probably. Umbrella works better. He complains about the stupid school trucks drive around going slow, don't make the turns fast, and stall in the intersection.
We haven't done that yet.
Wait a minute, we stall? Yeah.
Give ourselves time.
Yeah. Alright, left of the stop sign.
I haven't seen nobody stall a truck yet.
I didn't know you.
You guys are pretty good, pretty decent.
I didn't know you could get the back wheels up off the ground with a trailer on flat ground like I saw yesterday because I just haven't been around that enough.
Yeah, well, if you do this a while, you'll learn there's a new way of screwing something up every day.
Yeah.
Hey, we saw when we were doing the backing, I
Left.
saw a dude drift the 18-wheeler. I didn't know that could be done.
Yeah.
Like Tokyo Drift, we were in Salt Lake City Drift. Actually, West Valley City. I think I'm gonna get yelled at on my logbooks because I didn't realize it was West Valley City. I just kept putting West Valley, Utah.
Yeah.
He pulled both the brakes but left it in gear, pulled out the clutch and just
Yeah.
it ain't going nowhere.
Irresistible force meets the immovable object.
Alright, we're gonna go straight across after this now.
We hit, he went and struck while we're at it. Just moved him out of the way.
That'd be nice.
Brakes.
We hit him.
Damn. I wasn't expecting
Hey,
that one.
crazy driver.
Oh, he didn't do that.
Horsely? What is Horsely?
I have no idea.
I don't like their artwork.
No, it's really not very good. That was a popular style at one point.
Yeah, but I think you put him on his knees
He's got
again.
his tail up and his legs are spread in the front.
Nah,
That's
he's
one
not
of the
on
neat
his
positions
knees.
to be in.
Yeah.
He ain't on his knees.
Oh. All his legs are apart. What's he doing? The rest of
I got a purebred English Bulldog, and if you see his tail come up, you need to put him outside quick, or you need to get away and plug your nose, because he's a crop duster. He will come through and make sure he shits throughout the whole place and makes you smell it.
Stay right on this street. Right
He
there.
is the dumbest dog I've ever held
Oh, yeah,
in my
yeah, yeah.
entire life, but he's cool as shit. Friendly,
Yeah.
cool, but he is so stupid. Purebred English male, uncut. Just like Gabe.
Yeah, don't start too quick.
Oh no, we don't know if he's on the cut. We'll have to ask David that later.
Was David the guy on the
On the picture, yeah. One he was spooning with last night.
It's not spooning.
Next street, take a right.
It's
These
cuddling.
buildings.
Gabe threw his leg over him backwards. Pulled him closer. That's spooning.
Don't hit the one in the truck.
Maybe
Front
it's
of the
just
one in the truck.
wrestling.
In front of it. Yeah, don't hit it.
Seriously?
Retards, no experience
Yeah. Requires
required. There you go.
50 minutes.
I made up my own words to it. My own
Yeah.
actually says it by the letters of the name.
Yeah, actually it works pretty good. All right, nice and slow. Yeah, nice and
Hi
quiet.
there.
How
Try riding
you
our truck, we'll
doing?
get you approved. Probably not
21.
this truck, but
I am hitting a mile.
We can get
That's what you guys got to pay me when I graduate.
Hitting a mile.
Yeah, next year.
forward.
Yeah.
You go back and check the trailer lights.
Not that big a deal.
No, not really.
We drive 100,000 miles.
Oh, you're making.
Adds up.
He's making fun of people retarded, but he sounds like a bigger retard than the ones he's making fun of.
Drive 100,000 miles a month.
Just like me.
Hey.
100,000 miles a month.
Woo!
Not in a year.
Huh?
Yeah, this is in a year. Not in a month.
You gotta hit those brakes a little bit harder, Gabe.
Yeah,
Yeah, put
10,000.
homeboy on his knees again. Make him beg for it.
Yeah.
Well,
He'll grab
10,000
your
a
shifter
month would
while
be
he's
more
down
like
there.
Yeah, but
100,000 a
that
year.
gives you a little play. If you got 9,000 a
120.
month, or, yeah, gives you a little work.
It gives you just a tap bit of play.
You got to figure you're only going to be able to run maximum of a little over 500 miles a day legally because you can't average 62 miles an hour because you got all the slow drive time, right? I think, so you probably average
11 hours you drive it.
450 to 550 a day.
Yeah, you should be able to at least 550. You might even get 6 a lot. I got 6 usually.
Yeah.
There's days that my uncle puts in 7.
Yeah.
Well, I guess if you ain't got a governed truck and you're on certain roads where the speed limit is,
His truck's just like these.
you can only do 62 miles an hour.
Yep.
So 62 times 10 is 620. Times 11 would be 660. So it's theoretically not possible for him to.
No, not legally.
Do 700
but
in 11
there's
hours.
Ways to do it.
Because in that 11 hours, yeah.
If you're running paper, it's a little easier than electronic. Alright, let's pull over here. But even electronic, you push it real close to that. Sometimes downhills go a little faster.
Oh, yeah.
Gravity pushing you.
That's a good idea.
Driving all the way across the country and you're not stopping, you're just freeway all the time. Sometimes you get a little momentum going before the computer will kick on and know you're stopped or going again.
Gabe, good job. I'm proud of you, buddy.
Appreciate it, but yeah, it's a tough.
Yeah, good job.
in a covered truck.
Yeah,
Quit
Sit
right
down.
here.
Sit down. Sit.
It's like I can leave
Oh, shit,
Ontario,
my nose.
California, and I can pull up my driveway for 3 minutes.